Hey you guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Denae and I'm a busy mom of four, just basically trying to keep it together here. I'm really excited for today's video because I am collabing with a group of ladies that have also put together a cleaning video for you guys. So after you're done watching this video, continue on with the motivation and please make sure to head on over there to show their videos some love and let them know in the comments for me that Lazy Housewife sent you. I'd really appreciate that. I'm going to have the links to their channels in my description box, and I'm also going to try and get a playlist to make it easier for you guys to binge watch. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and get some cleaning motivation.
silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so damn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces and start again. Don't give up, we're holding on. For what it's worth, I'll try to change. We can't fix.
Alright everyone, that is going to be it for my video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are new and say hi in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out the other ladies I am collabing with in today's video. They're going to have some more cleaning videos for you guys to watch. So yeah, make sure to check them out and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I don't wanna change who you are.